Hi, this is a short YouTube video on how to enable encrypted fields. It's one of the things I've seen when looking at orgs, Salesforce orgs. My name is Jürgen Hohen. I'm a Salesforce admin, Service Cloud guy. But this is a short YouTube video on encrypted fields. So let's go to it. So basically, from home, you go to setup, and it's one of those overlooked things. So if you're like in accounts, right, and you're the system administrators, you should look at them, and here in this, either they're enabled or not. It's this simple. Look, you create a new field, you go all the way down, and it's right here. Text entering in the field is encrypted using classic encryption, and that's actually really solid, right? And driver's license or credit card information. Let's do that. Credit card. How long are credit cards? 16 digits. Always require a value, meaning no customer can do that or not. Mask, the last 4 characters. How do you want it masked? Like this, or do you want it masked like this? And that's it. And then you go next and do the standard, what profiles can see it, what profiles can't. If you need a single user, then you make a profile for that single user, like you're a lawyer, right? And that's how you do encrypted fields. Thank you very much for watching this video.